Tin Fan, and I'm here to present my final implementation for the mobile app. So I've already started the app, and after the user creates their account and logs in, this is the home dashboard. And then what I implemented was this daily streak counter. As the user goes and finishes or starts a lesson, the counter will increase from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and so on. And to show that, we can just go into the catalog, go find anything, any of the lessons here, and then we can just start learning. And then after you're finished up, you can mark as complete, and then we can go back to the home page now, and it'll update. It'll show you your last active day, and then the counter will keep increasing as the day goes on to help encourage the streak. And a second thing that I implemented was adding the images here. All the images I grabbed off of online, and I just added the custom images for the card for the lesson cards. Yeah, and then you can find them here in the assets. These are all the images there. And that is everything that I implemented for the final implementation. Thank you for watching.
Hi, hello, this is Being Written and my student ID is 10148823, and this is the demo of my app, which is Advantage, or it's a learning app for students. And let's just go ahead and create an account with it. You can put in your name. Just put my name right here and my date of birth. Just estimate a random day. Enter my email. So basically, if we actually work with like university or college, we gotta match with a database that they have, but right now we don't have that. So yeah, anyone can just sign up with it. Create account, and it will send to the verification to my Gmail. Just open another tab. Our code is 265-707. Holy hell. 265-707. There we go. This is like a home page. So the home screen shows your daily streak, and then the weekly progress and learning analytics of with the stats, and then a bar chart, and upcoming assignments with a due date. If you have done with them, you can just remove them right here, or you can just create one for future. Here you go. And move on to the next page, the catalog. So you can browse the courses by category, and you can also enroll if you're interested in them. So each course has the modules that unlock sequentially. So every single lesson I have a video player, a notebook study. So it also knows with the color options and a star rating um, after completion. One sec. There you go. So for the quiz page, it will test your knowledge again at the end of every single lesson. You can retake it or click done and resume your learning. So move on to the saved courses. Let's just save a course so it gets saved to the save page. There we go. And the last thing that we have on our app is the profile page, when you can edit your personal um, personal details information, and to see your learning stats and turn off the notification push. You can also implement the dark mode if you don't really like the brightness of the light mode. You can set your preferred languages. Right now we just have these languages, but in the future we might we we might implement more. And the privacy settings is not implemented yet, but will be done in the future, and you can sign out of your account. Yeah, and that's pretty it. If you sign in, pretty simple. There you go. Your data gets saved automatically in here and will not be lost anywhere. Yeah, that's pretty it for my part, and thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Sechan and my student number is 1014861188. In this video, I will present the new feature added to improve the learning experience. So the main feature include the flashcard, a study timer, video playback speed control, course reviews, weekly and monthly reports, and on activity heat map. So first, I will start with course detail page. This is the course detail screen. Here, user can view the course title, instructor information, rating, total study hours, and learning objectives. This page gives learners a clear overview of course before they begin studying. So I also added a course review feature on course detail page. With this feature, user can leave a written view and rating after complete a course, and they can also read the reviews written by other learners. So I will show this feature in more detail shortly. So when you put the review, review is marked, and you can see the reviews. So now I will open the learning session. This screen includes the lesson content and several new study support tools that I added. So the first feature is video playback speed control. User can choose the speed of the video. This allows learner to study at their own pace. For example, they can slow down for difficult content or speed up when reviewing familiar material. The next feature is flashcard. User can create flashcard for each lesson by entering content on the front and back of the card. They can review the card, review the answer, and mark whether they got it right or need more practice. This feature is useful for memorizing important concepts and definitions. So I the flashcard. also added a study timer based on Pomodoro technique. User can set their own focus time and break time. When a study session is completed, the session is saved and later included in user learning analytics. This helps user manage their study time more effectively. Like this. And and I will move on to proof session. In addition to user information and setting, I added new analytics feature here so user can track their learning activity. So these are weekly and monthly report. They summarize important learning data such as total study hours, course progress, activity, quizzes passed, and completed study session. This allows user to easily monitor their learning progress over time. Below that, I added an activity heat map. This heat map is inspired by GitHub activity graph and shows the user's study activity over the last 12 weeks. Darker cells represent more activity on a given day. So this helps user visualize their study habit in a simple and clear way. So to summarize, the feature I added are flashcard, a study timer, video playback speed control, course review, weekly and monthly reports, and activity heat map. These improvements make this app more than just a course app. It now helps user review content, manage study time, leave feedback, and track their learning progress. Thank you for my uh, presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation.